Hello Karthi.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Your voice sounds bad.
I am not feeling well. I am afraid I can't be there for the inauguration tomorrow.
But, sir, you are being felicitated. You were looking forward to this day so much.
Such is life. It is okay. That is why I want you to be there instead of me. You will drive the inaugural run.
Sir, but how? I can't do it without you.
You must. Station master suggested Rajibhar's name, but I insisted it must be you.
I don't know what to say.
In the morning, go to my office and pick up the suit I stitched for the inauguration.
For the last 6 months, after multiple trials and due to tireless work of our engineers, we successfully completed just last week. Under the guidance of Mr. Sathidar, Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar and Engineer Kavita Bhatt. Together they have shattered the India speed record and made the, since Sathidar couldn't join us today, I request Mr. Karthik Kumar to come forward to receive this medal. Now I will travel from Bangalore to Banyandadi in this new creation of Indian Railway.
Good morning, Beta. I have always wanted to travel in the loco cabin. My dream has finally come true. Is that the hood? Shall I press it? Aha! What an awesome sound! How do you guys drive in rain, Beta? Point me to the wiper. I will turn it on. It's quite cool. You can turn it off now. Beta, is this the headlight? Wow! So bright even during daytime. Thanks for indulging me, Beta. My curiosity got the better of me.
It's Karthik, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You look sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So, listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
Thanda Pani, looks like your Satada sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
Array, call the TTR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Hurry, these people have.
Satada sir got me to vote for the.
Okay, stop talking and tell that.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The PTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passengers will be feeling panic. So that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes.
It's not impossible if I.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck, Karthik. I will immediately reset ACP. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.